Bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang Mystic Queen Power Bracelet. So para sa mga naghahanap ng Evil Eye Bracelets, available na po ang dalawang klase ng Evil Eye Bracelet sa ating shop. So meron tayong Selenite Evil Eye at Obsidian Evil Eye Bracelet. So parehas lang merong protection and cleansing properties. Ang kaibahan nga lang is ang Selenite is nagre-recharge rin siya ng mga crystals and semi-precious stones na kasama niya. So pwedeng isuot nyo to alongside with other bracelets and i-recharge din niya yon. Ayan. And marami rin tayong iba pang mga bracelets dito for protection and also for healing, attraction ng money, love, and prosperity. Ayan. So, lahat po yan nasa aking online shop. Pakicheck nyo na lang po. Lahat ng link ay nasa description. Happy shopping! Cancer, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At itinan natin ang energies ng inyong love life ngayong September 2023. Ayan. This is a general reading, so maaari kayong makarelate, maaring hindi. Just take what resonates. Panoorin nyo rin yung inyong Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Para sa iba pang mensahe, meron tayong video na nagpapaliwanag tungkol doon. Link on the description. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Ayan. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong promo ngayong September, 25% discount for tarot readings. Ayan. So, lahat ng information nasa description. Kung gusto nyong mag-book ng private readings ngayong September. Just a reminder, Cancer, that you have the power to create your own reality. So, gamitin nyo lang yung reading na to bilang gabay. Okay, so unahin natin yung mga singles. Mga Cancer singles. Ano po ang parating? Energy ng mga love life ng mga Cancer na singles for September. Uy, Hanged Man. New perspective. Alam nyo, focus kayo sa inyong sarili. Self-love, self-care. Na-realize nyo na it's time to focus on yourself. Maaring wala mo na kayong kinakausap ngayon na romantic connection. And mas binibigyan nyo ng attention yung mga importanteng bagay sa buhay nyo, yung trabaho nyo, yung sarili nyo. You are improving your physical appearance, your physical strength. Yung iba, maaring nag-glow up. Alam mo yun? Yung mga nagpapapayat or napunta sa gym. Yan. Para mas lalo silang maging strong and healthy. Ayan. Let's see, ano pa? Knight of Cups. O, syempre, hindi mawawala yung mga merong nagpapahayag ng interest sa'yo. Oo, lalo na ngayon na ina-upgrade mo yung sarili mo in all aspects. Physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually. That's why you are attracting admirers. But I think, hindi ka pa ready or the person na attracted sa'yo, hindi siya yung gusto mo or you feel like, hindi mo nararamdaman yung soulmate connection. Kasi yung iba, gusto nyo meron kayong soulmate connection. Stopping the pattern. So, maari kasing itong person din na nagkakaroon ng interest sa inyo, similar, no? Kapareho halos nung person from the past na kinat nyo na sa buhay nyo. And ayaw nyo na yon. Things are coming to light and you are healing, you are changing. Ganda. Meron din ditong soulmate connection, union or marriage. Yung iba sa inyo, gusto nyo ng person na seryoso sa buhay, no? Hanggat hindi nyo nararamdaman yon, hindi kayo magsesettle. You will not settle for anything less than what you deserve. You will focus on loving yourself. Pagpapaayos muna ng sarili ninyo. Okay? So, let's see. Baka nga meron kayong ito turn down na love offer ngayong September. So, para naman sa mga in a relationship na Cancer, ano yung energies nyo? Two of Wands, the Chariot, Ten of Swords. Oh, may ending. O pwedeng meron kayong naging problema ng person mo. And ngayon, natatapos na. Especially if this is related to money, no, sa pera. Parang meron kayong sinubukan na gawin together, tapos hindi nag-work out. So, ngayon, iniisip nyo, paano kayo mag-move forward after that? So, pwedeng nag-start kayo ng business, or may project kayo na hindi naging successful, or parang naging dahilan lang, kaya nagkakaproblema kayo, nag-aaway kayo, or meron kayong disagreement, the Tower. But I think naman, kahit na may naging problema kayo, you still want to work things out, no? Gusto nyo pa rin ayusin itong relationship na to by talking to each other. And parang pinag-uusapan nyo, ano na yung future nyo, ano na yung susunod nyong gagawin. Kapag ba nag-away kayo, makakatulong ba yun sa future ninyo, sa mga plano ninyo together? Hindi naman, diba? So, I think it's also a wake-up call sa inyo na ito yung time na mas maganda na come together kayo to work things out. Meron kailangang maging leader dito sa relationship na to. Kumbaga siya yung magli-lead. It doesn't mean na siya yung laging masusunod. Siya lang yung magli-lead doon sa relationship. Ayan, may pag-uusap. Healing heart. Oh. Pwede kasi itong nag-away or nagsulian ng kandila. Nag-away, pwedeng nauwi sa maiksing separation. Pero eventually, the other person reached out, lalo na kung sino yung mas merong pagkukulang or kasalanan dito sa nangyari. Siya yung mas nag-reach out. And hindi rin naman matanggihan ng isa kasi may love, may love, may passion for each other. Yeah. Lalo na doon sa may mga may balak mag-asawa or to take this relationship to a higher level of commitment. Kumbaga, hindi nyo na parang palalagpasin nyo na yon kung ano yung naging issue or problema ninyo. Para matapos na. Pwede kasing meron na nang hingi ng sorry or nagpakumbaba, ganon. I'm so confused about our relationship and occupied with cloudy thoughts. So, ayun. May na-confuse sa relationship. Trying to find my way back to you. O, diba? Meron talaga nag-effort dito sa relationship na to na ayusin. Endings might bring better beginnings. Definitely may nag-end. Oo, yung tipong nagkahiwalay and then after a few days or kung kailan man yung ilang panahon na yon na hindi nagkita or hindi kayo nagkasama, the other person really reached out humbly, nagpakumbaba. You hurt me. Siyempre, na-hurt niya yung isa't isa. Pero, kahit na-hurt niyo yung isa't isa, alam niyo sa sarili ninyo that you belong together. Parang yung kanta ni Mariah. We belong together. Oh, you belong together. Minsan naman kasi talaga ganun. Parang tinetest yung relationship. But I think this relationship is worth it naman, worth trying. New love. Embrace an opportunity for love in your work, prospects, or for spiritual growth. So I think this is renewed love na meron kayong growth spiritually. Yung love ninyo is like kung ano yung dati na meron kayo together, yung pagmamahalan nyo together is like a different story na ngayon, no? That's why it's like a new love for you, for your relationship. So, hindi na siya yung kagaya dati na konting issue, nag-aaway. So, I think nagmamature kayo. Itong relationship na to, mas nag-mature, you've realized yung importance ng bawat isa. That's why you are considering this relationship as new love. And then, ito kasing 26 is number 8. Number 8 is Saturn energy yan. And Saturn is about discipline, structure. So, maaring meron lang kailangan talaga na mangyaring challenge para mas tumibay yung relationship ninyo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Cancer. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Cancer. See you again.